pizza enchiladas. Cutting up 1/2 of a small onion. Got my frying pan going. Ooh, that sizzle. I have a whole pound of Italian sausage, and we're just going to use it. You got hamburger, you can use hamburger, whatever you like. Had to go wash my hands. 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Just kind of stir it all around. How many of you ever made pizza enchiladas? They are really good. We need about a teaspoon of oregano. A teaspoon of oregano. A teaspoon of garlic powder. And a teaspoon of onion powder. Okay, we have a little bit of green pepper. We're making my favorite toppings on this pizza. And that is green pepper. I like green pepper, okay, but my favorite way to eat green pepper is on pizza. Okay, we're going to put in some mushrooms because my husband's favorite is mushrooms. About a 1/2 packet. We're not going to fill it completely full. Well, I don't know, it might need it. We're going all in. Oh yeah, we're going all in. It just looks and smells like pizza. A good old pizza topping. You guys ever had a day where everything is off? I mean everything. I made a cake a while ago, guys. It's in the trash. It was so bad. It weren't a little bit bad. It was so bad. It weren't cooked all the way through. My frosting had big chunks of cream cheese in it. It was bad. So I figured, you know what? Let's just go on to dinner. Let's just cook some dinner and be done. And I weren't planning on making this with you guys today. I was just going to do the cake because my husband had back surgery on Monday. And I was going to make him a little cake, okay? Well, it was terrible. So we're making pizza enchiladas instead. So he's recuperating. He's going to be down for quite a while. And so I'm going to be cooking and being home a lot. But let's hope and pray that it goes better than that cake. That cake was bad, guys. I shot the whole video, but I just don't think I can put it up. If you want to see that video, comment below if I should post the bad cake video. It's bad, y'all. It's real bad. I can't even believe I did it. Okay, we're going to have some salt. I'd say about a good teaspoon of salt. Now I have some mini pepperonis in here. I'm just going to put a few. I'd say about 1/4 of a cup. We're just going to sprinkle around here. These are little minis. Aren't they cute? Now we're going to let that simmer. We're going to get out our casserole dish. My grocery order, the main thing I needed was substituted, okay? My cake, shot a whole video. Went to ice that thing and it was raw. Do you hear me? Completely raw. Well, one layer was. One layer was not. One layer was. And I even tested them. You have those days, guys. You just have those days. Okay, guys. We have a can, a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, pizza sauce, I'm sorry. And we're going to pour it right, just a little bit in the bottom of our pan. Just a touch. So now we're going to start layering our tortillas. We're going to do these just like if we were doing enchiladas. We put just a little bit of cheese inside, and then we just roll them up and just lay them in our container. Here, I'm going to take our tortilla. I'm just going to fill it up with some pizza. I'm going to put in some cheese. I'm just going to roll it up. And it's okay if they break a little bit. I'm going to put cheese on top. We're going to go ahead and we're going to pour some of our pizza sauce right over the top. Some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to take our pepperoni. And we're just going to start sprinkling over these little mini pepperonis. We have some Parmesan cheese here. We're just going to sprinkle it right on top. Okay, these are our pizza enchiladas. We're going to stick these in a 400-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, just till that cheese and those pepperoni, all of it come together, and the pepperoni are going to crisp right up. Now that is quick and easy. Pizza enchiladas. Ooh. We got to try it. I love it. Oh my goodness. I love the little pepperonis on it. The sausage, the cheese, it's delicious, guys. You guys, I want to say thank you guys for watching, for commenting, for coming, hanging out with me in my kitchen today. You guys are the best audience on YouTube. We're going to be opening this together. I did get my YouTube plaque, and I have not opened it. It's still sealed because I want to open it with you. You guys are the best audience on YouTube. You deserve this award. You guys are so awesome. Thank you for watching, for commenting, for being the best audience on YouTube. Your comments are so kind. Thank you so much. Go make you some pizza enchiladas. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.